In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a sticky effect with your selected elements in a web design tool. This simple feature can have a significant impact on the user experience of your website, effectively holding the viewer's attention on key pieces of content as they scroll through your page. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web design project where you want to apply the sticky effect. Once you're there, take a moment to identify the specific element you want to stick, whether it's an image, a block of text, a banner, or any other informative section that should remain visible to users as they engage with your site. Choosing the right element to stick can make navigation much smoother and keep important information readily available. Next, you'll need to access the scroll effects setting. Look for the section in your design tool where these effects are located. This part usually contains different options for how your elements will behave while the viewer scrolls, and it's a powerful way to enhance interaction on your site. Once you're there, dive into the options, experiment if you need, but for our purpose today, we're focusing specifically on the sticky effect. Selecting this effect will ensure that once your viewer scrolls to the chosen element, it will stay fixed at a certain point on the screen, capturing attention without being intrusive. Now, let's make sure to save your changes. It's common in any design process to try out different effects and make adjustments, so saving frequently is a good habit to develop. In this stage, you'll want to look for the Save option, which is often easily accessible in the upper part of your interface. Save your work to ensure that the sticky effect is applied and will function seamlessly when presented to users. Finally, test it out. Navigate through your page as if you were a regular user. Scroll up and down to see how the sticky element performs. Does it interact with the rest of your page as intended? The goal here is to make sure your viewer has a smooth experience without any jarring transitions or unexpected behavior. If everything looks good, then you've successfully implemented the sticky effect. If not, tweak the settings a little and don't hesitate to go back and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've added a dynamic yet straightforward feature that enhances user engagement and interaction on your website. Keep experimenting with different elements to find out what works best, and remember that sometimes subtle changes make the biggest impact. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.